Hi friends, it's Miss Sarah. Happy First Chapter Friday. This week we're going to read the beginning of The Wolf's Curse, and this is by Jessica Vitalis. See that? So the story is about this great old white wolf who has been traveling the area for hundreds of winters trying to find somebody to take her place, and it's really hard to find the person. So far, over all of the years, she's only found 3 people that have actually seen her, which would make them a possibility to take her place. 1 died, 1 said no, and the 3rd person was a 12-year-old boy named Gage, and he saw her, but doesn't really know what he saw. The town thinks he's a witch now because the mayor's wife died, and his grandfather died, and people are like, I don't know, this guy saw the wolf, I think something's going on with him. So the wolf decides to visit him again and give him a choice, giving Gage this option of taking her place and becoming the great wolf because she's tired. So, he's deciding whether he wants this great new life because everyone in his town is afraid of him, or does he not take it and continue his life because the last words his grandfather said was, stay away from the wolf. So, does Gage listen to his grandfather, or does he decide to become the next great white wolf? So, starting with the prologue, to be perfectly honest, I'd rather you walk away now. Life is hard enough without adding death to the mix. Besides, your precious time is better spent doing something else. Wouldn't you rather be fetching water? Hanging the wash? Picking lice from your hair? I see that you are not to be put off. In that case, we need to get a few things straight. First, I'm not a beast, a monster, or the devil. I'm only a tired wolf in search of relief. Second, I exist in the shadowy space between this world and the next. I slip between the two, doing things, seeing things, knowing things you will likely deem unbelievable. Finally, you must understand that it is not myself I'm trying to save, or at least not only myself. Still determined to come along? Fine, but I warn you, the path ahead isn't easy. It will be filled with darkness and despair, and you will almost certainly regret your decision, just as I regret mine. So that is the prologue. If you would like to know more about the Wolf's Curse and whether Gage decides to become a wolf or not, give us a call or come check out the book in the Children's Library. Thanks, friends. Have a great Friday.